Saving time is something we all need, and today I've got 30 smart Amazon gadgets that can help make your life a little easier. These gadgets are practical, easy to use, and perfect for everyday tasks. I've also made sure to include the best options for each category, so you'll have a variety of choices. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Let's get started. Moski Handheld Steam Cleaner. Harness the power of high-pressure steam with 3-bar force and 230-degree Fahrenheit temperatures, making it a versatile solution for cleaning oil, stains, and dust across various surfaces. Its 15.2 water tank heats in just 3 to 5 minutes, providing up to 12 minutes of continuous use. Equipped for multi-surface cleaning, this device tackles floors, tiles, fabric, car interiors, and more with precision, ensuring a hygienic and spotless finish for hard-to-reach areas. QuiziPro Magnetic Spot Scrubber. A clever cleaning solution with a magnetic scrubber and handle, featuring nubbed rubber surfaces for tackling dried-on stains without scratching delicate glassware. Perfect for narrow or oddly shaped vessels, the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip. The magnetized design allows easy control, navigating the scrubber to clean hard-to-reach spots effortlessly. Safe for glass, it combines innovation and functionality for a spotless, damage-free finish. PurePort Phone Cleaning Kit. Revitalize your devices with a multi-tool kit designed to prevent and fix connectivity issues caused by dirty USB-C ports. With dedicated tools to clear lint, dust, and oils from ports and cables, it ensures reliable charging and data transfer. An eco-friendly alternative to risky DIY methods, this kit extends the life of mobile devices, offering a quick, effective solution for maintaining critical tech hygiene. G-Sol Electric Spin Scrubber. Transform cleaning with 11 versatile brush heads for tackling diverse areas like tiles, bathtubs, and windows. Its detachable, adjustable handle extends up to 37.5 inches, offering comfort for hard-to-reach spots. With 2 speed settings, 300 RPM and 400 RPM, and Type-C fast charging, this device delivers 90 minutes of efficient performance. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's perfect for making your cleaning routine hassle-free and effective. FlexiSnake Sink Clog Remover. Combat clog drains effortlessly with an 18-inch flexible snake featuring micro hooks for grabbing hair and grime. The 360-degree rotating design simplifies clearing blockages in 3 easy steps. Insert, rotate, and dispose. With 5 disposable wand refills and a reusable handle, it ensures a mess-free cleanup. Suitable for most standard drains, it's a reliable, easy-to-use solution for household plumbing maintenance. OXO Bottle Cleaning Set. Designed with durable nylon bristles, this set includes tools for cleaning bottles, straws, and water containers. Each piece snaps off a convenient storage ring, keeping everything organized. Perfect for removing tough residues without scratching surfaces, it simplifies cleaning tasks and ensures lasting hygiene. The ergonomic design ensures comfort and efficiency, making it a must-have for maintaining your drinkware. Fresmol Air Duster. Experience powerful cleaning with a 100,000 RPM motor and 3 adjustable airflow settings for versatile applications. Rechargeable via Type-C cable, it delivers 20 to 40 minutes of continuous performance with an LED display for battery and speed monitoring. A sustainable alternative to compressed air, it's ideal for cleaning electronics, keyboards, and vehicle interiors. Equipped with 5 nozzles and LED lights, it ensures precise and eco-friendly cleaning for a variety of needs. Piezo Truff Automatic Soap Dispenser. Upgrade hand hygiene with a touchless dispenser featuring a high-capacity 17-ounce container and 5 adjustable output levels. The built-in infrared sensor ensures precise, mess-free soap dispensing within seconds, minimizing waste and cross-contamination. The visible container design makes refilling convenient, while the no-drip spout keeps countertops clean. Compatible with various liquid soaps, it's a sleek and functional addition to any space. Scrubbing Bubbles Toilet Cleaning Kit. Simplify toilet cleaning with a 19-inch wand, stand, and 4 flushable refill pads that eliminate mess and odors. Its exclusive cleaning technology tackles tough stains, while the flushable, septic-safe pads keep your hands clean. Designed for easy storage and universal toilet compatibility, It's a hygienic, hassle-free solution for maintaining a sparkling bathroom. Amazon Basics Laundry Drying Rack. Air dry clothes efficiently with this durable steel rack, designed for indoor use with a rust-resistant finish. The accordion-style structure folds flat for easy storage and portability, saving space when not in use. A sustainable alternative to energy-intensive drying methods, it gently preserves fabric quality, making it ideal for extending the life of your wardrobe. Ratio Sprinkler Controller. Worry-free watering becomes effortless with an intelligent app that tailors schedules to your yard's needs. Its patented weather technology saves water by skipping unnecessary irrigation during rain, wind, or freezing conditions. Designed to conserve resources, this controller ensures optimal watering while reducing costs. Control and customize schedules, monitor water usage, and run sprinklers directly from your smartphone, offering unmatched convenience and efficiency for outdoor watering. Gorilla Grip Shoe Organizer. Holds up to 40 pounds with durable, tear-resistant fabric and thick stitching. This over-the-door organizer features breathable mesh pockets to prevent odors and provide visibility for easy access. Equipped with slip-resistant hooks, it fits most doors securely. With 24 pockets, it stores shoes, household items, beauty products, and more. Perfect for closets, bathrooms, or garages, it ensures efficient organization in any space. Wowbox Plastic Drawer Organizer. Crafted from premium, long-lasting plastic, these transparent storage bins come in 4 sizes for versatile organization. Non-slip bottoms keep bins securely in place, while stackable designs maximize space. With impact-resistant material, they're built to last. Ideal for arranging drawers, these bins simplify finding essentials, keeping everything from office supplies to kitchen tools neat and accessible. Sanzi UV Light Sanitizer. Achieve 99.99% efficiency with 24 UVC LED chips and a stainless steel interior for 360-degree cleaning. Items are sanitized in just 5 minutes, making it one of the fastest solutions available. With a 5.1-liter capacity, it accommodates baby bottles, keys, and more. Easy to use with a single button operation, this portable cleaning box is a hygienic solution for your essentials. Park Tool Bike Cleaning System. A complete cleaning kit designed for deep bike maintenance. Includes a chain scrubber, gear clean brush, and plant degreaser safe for all materials. The specialized brush reaches tight spaces between gears and chain rings, effectively removing dirt and grime. Ideal for keeping your bike's drivetrain in top condition while being environmentally friendly. Lexon Oblio Wireless Phone Charger. Combines a fast 10-watt Qi wireless charger with UVC LED technology to disinfect your phone in just 20 minutes. The sleek, vase-shaped design doubles as a stylish decor piece. Clinically proven to eliminate 99.9% of germs, it's both functional and aesthetic. Winner of the CES 2021 Innovation Award, it ensures your smartphone stays clean and charged effortlessly. Simply Magic Kitchen Trash Can. Features a dual 30-liter capacity with color-coded liners for waste and recycling. The stainless steel foot pedal allows hands-free operation, while the slow-close lid reduces noise. An integrated odor filter keeps spaces fresh. Designed for durability and convenience, it simplifies waste management with an extended lid lock for prolonged tasks. Hyundai Ceiling Fan Cleaner. Made from soft, dense polyester for superior dirt removal, this duster features an extendable rod reaching up to 49.7 inches. The slanted, double-sided brush design ensures thorough cleaning of fan blades. Easy to store with a hanging hole and detachable head, it's a practical tool for dust-free spaces, eliminating the need for ladders. Fur Zapper Pet Hair Remover removes pet hair, dander, and lint from laundry using a non-toxic, reusable silicone material. Place it in the washer and dryer for effective hair removal without using fabric softeners. Designed for up to 2 medium-sized pets, it's a gentle yet powerful solution to keep clothes, pet beds, and blankets fur-free. Taily 4-in-1 Sponge Holder. Equipped with a patented suction cup, supporting up to 11 pounds, it installs in seconds without tools. The rust-proof aluminum body and drainage design ensure durability and quick drying. Compact yet spacious, it keeps sponges, scrubbers, and other kitchen tools organized and tidy. Ideal for wet areas, it's a must-have for streamlined sink storage. Swiffer Spray Mop. The wet jet delivers mop-level cleaning with wipe-like convenience, tackling dirt and grime effortlessly without the mess of traditional mops. Easy to assemble, it features a quick connect handle, battery power, and efficient cleaning solution. Safe for all sealed hard surfaces, its thick pads absorb debris, preventing redistribution. Choose from scented formulas for a fresh finish every time. WetJet keeps floors sparkling clean, making it an indispensable tool for busy households. Befon's faucet handle drip catcher. With an XL size and 5-degree slope design, this faucet splash guard efficiently redirects water into the sink, keeping counters dry. The silicone mat doubles as a holder for sponges, soaps, and other essentials. Its durable, non-soggy material ensures long-lasting use, while its multifunctional design organizes and enhances kitchen and bathroom countertops. This handy tool is perfect for those seeking cleaner, more organized spaces. Souclane touchscreen cleaner balls. Enjoy spotless screens with colorful cleaning balls made from silicone and microfiber fabric. Designed for delicate surfaces, they effectively remove dust, smudges, and fingerprints without scratches. The double-sided design features a textured side for tough stains and a smooth side for fine dust. Compact and lightweight, these cleaning balls fit in bags for easy use on the go, ensuring screens stay clear and polished. Hayashi AirPods Cleaner. This 3-in-1 cleaning kit features a flocking sponge, soft brush, and metal pen tip for comprehensive cleaning of headphones, phones, cameras, and more. Its push-button design makes switching tools effortless. Compact and portable, it fits in pockets for quick, thorough cleaning wherever you are. Ideal for removing dirt from crevices, this kit is a must-have for keeping gadgets pristine. Butyryl Fabric Shaver. The fabric shaver quickly removes lint, fuzz, and pilling from clothing, upholstery, and more. Equipped with sharp, replaceable blades and adjustable height settings, it ensures safe use on various fabrics. 3 shaving heights and hole sizes cater to different materials, while the durable construction provides long-term reliability. Perfect for rejuvenating sweaters, blankets, and other garments, it delivers professional results at home. iVac Pro Touchless Vacuum. The iVac is a 1400-watt touchless vacuum ideal for professional spaces like salons and pet groomers. Infrared sensors activate it instantly when debris is swept nearby, eliminating bending or dustpans. Dual high-efficiency filters trap dust and dirt, returning clean air to your environment. Always ready for action, it simplifies cleanup tasks while offering powerful, hands-free performance. 5-Joy Cleaning Gels. Universal cleaning gels are perfect for keyboards, car interiors, and electronic devices. Easy to use, they pick up dirt from hard-to-reach areas with a quick press and roll. Made from biodegradable, eco-friendly materials, they're safe and non-sticky. With 4 vibrant colors, these gels efficiently remove dust and particles, leaving surfaces clean and residue-free. Chemical Guy's Car Wash Mitt. This plush microfiber car wash mitt delivers scratch-free cleaning with its 70-30 microfiber blend. It holds ample water and soap for thick suds that lift dirt without damaging paint. Durable and machine washable, it provides years of effective use. Perfect for washing cars, trucks, and SUVs, the mitt's soft texture and immense absorption ensure a flawless finish every time. GA Home Favor Bamboo Fruit Basket. Crafted from premium bamboo, this 2-tier fruit basket offers ample space to organize fruits and vegetables. Its sturdy, non-shaky construction ensures durability, while its natural aesthetic enhances any kitchen. Easy to assemble and clean, it's a practical and beautiful addition to countertops, keeping food within reach and neatly displayed. Sullen's Pan Scraper. This versatile scraper handles cast iron cleaning, dough shaping, and bowl scraping with ease. Its durable plastic construction is perfect for various tasks, from skillet scrubbing to vinyl scraping. Compact and multifunctional, it's ideal for home kitchens or outdoor cooking, offering an indispensable solution for chefs and home cooks alike. That wraps up our list of 30 smart Amazon gadgets designed to save you precious time and make life a whole lot easier. From innovative tools to clever tech, these picks are perfect for upgrading your daily routine. Ready to snag one for yourself? Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If this video brought you value, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your favorite gadget in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on our newest content, tips, and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.